Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. My name is Mike, and I am a technical product marketing manager at Forward Networks. In today's very special Demo Tuesday, we will see how Forward's brand new feature, AI Assist, can change how you interact with getting data out of your network. This is one of those things that I wish I had around when I was in the trenches of being a network engineer. Just to be able to get information out just by asking a question. That would have made my life so much easier. But the broader picture of it is NQE takes all the hard work out of getting normalized data from a complex hybrid network to assist NetOps, CloudOps, and SecOps in getting the answers to their questions. But what if you have somebody new on the team or a junior operations person who wants to gather information about the network who might not know about NQE? Shouldn't this data be as easy as asking a question? Shouldn't getting this data be as easy as asking a question? With AI Assist, that is now possible. Anyone at any skill level can just ask a question using natural language and get the information that they seek. So let's jump into our example. In our example, we have a junior firewall engineer who just started with the organization. This person wants to know the egress interfaces that have NAT configured in the entire network. To get this information, all he has to do is ask the question. So we're going to create a new query. We're going to call this egress interfaces or egress NAT interfaces. And then to ask the question, all we have to do is click on AI Assist. So we want to write a NQE query to get the egress interfaces for all NAT entries in the network. We click the little generate query button. It'll take a second. Our query is crafted. Then when we click execute, we can see the device name and the egress interface that has NAT configured on it. Now you'll see some of them that don't have an egress interface. That's because this is a load balancer. And there's probably some VIPs that have some kind of source NAT configured on them. Along with AI Assist comes a great feature called Summary Assist. Have you ever been in a situation where you were given a piece of code or configuration to look over, and you really didn't know what the intent of it was, and you're just looking at a jumbled mess of words and you're trying to figure out exactly what the person was trying to do? With Summary Assist, what we can do now is we can look at that NQE query and tell you in plain language exactly what that query's intent is. So let's look at this somewhat complex NQE query where it looks like there's a lot of for each, where statements. It looks like this thing has a bunch of nested stuff in it. I don't know what it's doing. So with Summary Assist, if we click that and then generate summary, what it's going to do is it's going to look at the query, tell you a summary of what the query is doing. So this NQE query identifies all ASA devices that have SSH configurations that violate in the allowed management subnets. And then it goes through piece by piece and tells you exactly what this query is doing. So now if you were handed a query, or if you were changing a query or modifying a query that you didn't create, that has no intent or description up on top, that now you're able to truly understand what this query is doing quickly so that you can get back to doing what you were doing before. All right. So with that, are there any questions on AI Assist and or Summary Assist? Like I was saying before, back in the day when I was in the trenches, if I had something like this, this is a phenomenal new feature to add to the Forward platform. All right. If we didn't get to your question during a live demo, we apologize, and we'll answer them via the chat. If you want to give Forward a try, head on over to quest.forward.app, Pick a persona, whether that be cloud, security, network, or all three of them, to be put through real examples inside of the platform. If you complete all three, we'll send you a shirt. You could also head on over to our Bright Talk channel and watch our webinars on demand. Some include how to talk to your network, introducing generative AI for network digital twins by one of our co-founders, Nikhil, or 5 issues that a digital twin can solve in under a week with another one of our co-founders, Brandon. Next week, myself and a bunch of other members of the Forward team will be at Cisco Live Amsterdam in Stand 13. Stop on by to see a network digital twin in action and for a chance to win an e-bike. Thank you guys for watching. Have a fantastic day.